everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Delshad, and today we're diving into a key concept that can really shake things up in the crypto world. If you've been hearing about hard forks, soft forks, or coins like Bitcoin Cash and Ethereum Classic, then stick around because we're going to break down exactly what forks are, how they happen, and what they mean for you as a crypto investor. Before we get started, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest crypto insights and strategies. So let's jump in. So what exactly is a fork? In the simplest terms, a fork is when developers make changes to the blockchain's code, resulting into two possible directions for the network. These changes can range from small updates to massive overhauls that create entirely new cryptocurrencies. Think of it like a road that splits into two paths, each one leading to a different future for the blockchain. In the crypto world, forks can happen for a variety of reasons, from fixing bugs to adding new features or even disagreements within the community over the directions of the project. There are two types of forks, soft forks and hard forks. A soft fork is kind of like a software update on your phone. It makes changes to the blockchain, but the changes are backward compatible, meaning that even those who don't update their software can still use the blockchain as normal. Soft forks are generally used to add new features or improve existing ones, and they're often easier for the network to adopt since everyone can still play by the same basic rules. On the other hand, we have hard forks. Hard forks are a bit more dramatic. When a hard fork happens, the blockchain splits into two, one that follows the old rules and one that follows the new ones. This often results in a brand new cryptocurrency. For example, when Bitcoin went through a hard fork, it gave birth to Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin Gold. These new coins operate on separate blockchains with their own set of rules. Forks usually happen because of disagreements within the crypto community. Developers or stakeholders might disagree on the future direction of the cryptocurrency. One group might want to add new features or scale the network differently, while other group prefers to stick with the current system. A famous example of this is Ethereum Classic. In Ethereum's early days, after a major hack of the DAO, the Ethereum community split over whether to reverse the hack. One side, led by Vitalik, chose to reverse the hack and created the Ethereum we know today. The other side, which stuck to the idea of no intervention, became Ethereum Classic. Both blockchains still exist today, each with its own supporters and use cases. Let's start with soft forks. They're smoother, easier fork to deal with because they don't require everyone in the network to make a drastic change. It's like updating the rules of a game without changing the core mechanics. For example, if Bitcoin wanted to improve its privacy features, it might implement a soft fork to add those features. Miners and users who don't update can still operate, but eventually most people adopt the new standards because it offers better functionality. Hard forks are where things get a bit more intense. Imagine you're driving down a road and suddenly it splits into two. You have to pick a path, and whichever one you choose takes you in a completely different direction. That's what happens in a hard fork. When a hard fork occurs, a brand new blockchain is created. The old chain continues to exist, but the new one has its own rules and currency. A prime example of this is Bitcoin Cash. Some people in the Bitcoin community wanted to increase Bitcoin's block size to handle more transactions per second, while others wanted to keep the block size small. The result, Bitcoin Cash, was born, increasing the block size and allowing for faster transactions. So what does all of this mean for you as a crypto investor? Well, when a hard fork happens, you typically receive an equal amount of the new cryptocurrency if you're holding the original coin at the time of the fork. That might sound like free money, but it's important to remember that the new coin's value is not guaranteed. It's up to the market to decide how valuable it becomes. And while forks can create opportunities, they also bring risks. A hard fork could result in a weaker blockchain, and if the new network doesn't gain enough support, the new coin could become worthless. Let's take a look at some real-world examples of forks. Bitcoin Cash, created from a hard fork of Bitcoin to increase transaction speeds and scalability. Ethereum Classic, the result of a disagreement within the Ethereum community after the DAO hack. Litecoin, a fork of Bitcoin that aims to offer faster transaction times and lower fees. Each of these forks created a brand new cryptocurrency and a new opportunity for investors. So now you've got a better understanding on how forks work, why they happen, and what they mean for the world of cryptocurrency. Whether you're interested in soft forks that bring incremental improvements or hard forks that create entirely new coins, it's important to keep an eye on these events. They can significantly impact the value of your holdings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto insights and strategies. If you have any questions about forks or another crypto topic, drop them in the comments below and I'll be happy to answer. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.